This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Welcome back, YouTube, to another banger video, y'all. It's your boy lorShift. Y'all know we gotta come back with another POV drive, man. But this one gonna be a crazy one. We gonna give y'all a reckless driving POV drive in my Dodge Challenger Scatty. This ain't a regular Dodge Challenger Scatty though. This is a flame-tuned Scat Pack. Y'all know typically I start off my videos with either me, you know, in the parking lot or whatever, or just driving or whatever. This video gonna be different, you feel me? I can't start off like this. Y'all know we gotta turn y'all up. Oh my God. Yo, she was like, what the fuck? If y'all watching this, John, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Get this video to 1,000 likes for a part 2. There was a state trooper behind me somewhere, so that's why I didn't really want to go too crazy at that spot, but did a little something. It's a little different, just a little different start for y'all. I do have my flame tune pop tune on right now, so not the burbles, but the actual like loud pops. So this one's gonna be different. I don't have my 360 cam on because I felt like it was no point. Y'all can't see the flames, so yeah. This one just gonna be a slight POV in the daytime. I'm gonna make another one tonight, so that way y'all are able to see the flames and stuff. And I'm gonna throw on a 360 camera as well, and try and go crazy for y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, I'm gonna keep the camera up. Got the sunroof open. It's a nice day outside to get pulled over. It's like, nah, you gotta go in track mode. I know I said track mode messes up your transmission or whatever. I don't know how true that is, but we just gonna go in track because I don't give a fuck. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Steering wheel mad tight. Like I said, it's a reckless driving POV, so we not just gonna make this a basic one. We got to turn up for y'all. Let's go over here. Damn, bro, I'm trying to tell you, every time I pick up the camera, bro, it's always a red light that messes up my videos, bro. Every time. Oh my God. Yo, these pops sound crazy, bro. Bow, 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 bow. Yo, what the fuck? Downshift, hold on. Bow, hold on. Downshift, hold on. Bow, bow, bow. I would say I gotta chill around this area because it be cops and shit. I was about to say, we driving like an old person, bro. Bow, bow. We gotta get through this traffic, bro. I can't be doing this in a Scat. crazy, bro. I'm speechless. I'm always speechless when I use this tune, bro. It's like I can't even process. My brain can't process right. Because it's like, bro, I gotta worry about cops. This is bad, bro. I'm not trying to get in a chase right now. I don't even got the tread on my tires, bro. Like, I wish I had a wine, bro. This would be 10 times more better. Shit I be talking about. Yo, he knew who I was. That's crazy. Feels so good to get recognized, y'all. He about to bust a U-turn and try to catch up. I know he is. We getting ready to hit the highway, y'all. So if you still watching right now, do not click off because we gotta go crazy on the highway for y'all. So stay tuned. Every time I use my pop tune next to a truck, I know they be thinking like, damn, did one of my tires pop? Like, that shit crazy. Yeah, let's get back over in this lane, yup. Get in front of all them cars. Yup. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting better at holding up the camera at a better angle too, y'all. I used to hold that jump from down here. Now you can see everything. I mean, at least I think so. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I can't put it directly in front of my face because I'm gonna end up banging out. Yo, I told y'all he was gonna spin. I told y'all he was gonna spin. He better not try and reverse, bro, with all this traffic. Let me go over here. Told y'all he was gonna spin. He trying to beat the horn. I can't even see him, yo. Let's go. Hit that shit. Crash out. Oh, he crashing out. He crashing out. Crashing out. Lord switchy. What is bro doing, bro? Yo, slow that shit down, cuz. You got a handicap sign on your shit. Slow that shit down, bro. Fuck. Watch out. I ain't gonna lie, this is my exit, but I'm gonna keep going for y'all. Definitely keep going. How y'all like my POVs though, man? Y'all bang with them? I be trying to switch it up a little bit, but I'm gonna continue to drop POVs and different types of videos. So let me know what y'all like to see, and I got y'all. Feel me, your boy got the Scatty here forever until I get the cat. So I'm trying to make the most out of it right now. So let me know. I can't really cut up how I want to cut up, bro. gonna turn into one lane. Oh my God, bro. This shit is crazy, dog. Oh yeah, we back. We back. Hold on, y'all. I wish I knew how to drift this drum, bro. I'd be like... This is Matthew driving. I don't know where lorShift is at the moment. So... hopefully there's no traffic up here, but it's my type of highway. See, now you got 3 cars posted up. Like, this look poppin', bro. My car is too low for this, bro. Oh, 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 oh. Yo, my car is too low for this, for all these bumps, bro. This shit crazy. I did tell you I was gonna give y'all a burnout too. That was a little something, something. A little something, something. My tire's bald, so I ain't trying to go too crazy. But, damn, yo. That shit spun a lot. Yo, I know I'm on wire right now, bro. Oh, my God. He all the way behind me. He not trying to get behind me, dog. He not trying to get right behind me. But, all right, y'all. It's your boy, Matthew. Like I said, I don't know where Lord Bender is at. But, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And, yeah, this is a driving reckless in my flame tune scat pack video. So let me know what POV drive y'all want to see next, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.